Take the infrared laser module as an example. Note: insert the USB security key to the back port, not the side port, where the camera port is. Scan the QR code in the manual for phone connection, and download the appropriate version. Enter the home page, select Bluetooth mode, search device. After connection, click the Home and Move button to ensure successful connection. Before using Lightburn, please scan the QR code to download and install CH340 driver. Enter Lightburn, add device. Change the name. Note: engraving area differs between single and dual laser modules. Select your device. You can enable or disable the safety door function in the console. Adjust parameters. Introduction to the multifunctional button. During operation, press once to pause, then press again to resume. In standby mode, press and hold for 3 seconds to reset. Double-click to engrave the last file uploaded from the mobile. During operation, press and hold the focus button for 3 seconds to completely stop engraving. Put the new filter cotton. Note: the lens of the 1.2 watt infrared laser cannot be replaced. Do not disassemble it, or it will be damaged.